Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Cressi Fast 3mm Women's Wetsuit. So this of course is a full-length women's wetsuit, 3mm of neoprene. So this is when it's a little cold but the water's still kind of warm. If you're spending a lot of time in the water, you get that little bit of a chill. It's going to protect you from both that chill, it's going to protect you from the sunlight as well as a lot of sort of marine bumps and scrapes because it's a full length. So taking a closer look, starting up at the top, around the neck we have glide skin material. So this is very soft against your skin. It's also very effective at sort of sealing against your skin, and that way it's going to slow water down, stop it from rushing into the suit. So that isn't going to sort of let water come in and come out, and that's going to keep you nice and warm. So moving down, we can see we've got big open panels around the suit. All this stitching is flat lock stitching, so it's nice and comfy, but it's because there's minimal stitching around, you still get that flexibility. So you can still get into it pretty easily and you can still move around inside of it pretty easily. Moving down the arms, nothing too fancy on the 3mm. This is just rolled neoprene as a cuff. Again, it's made for warmer waters, so you're not going to have sort of cold water rushing in and out, so you don't need quite as an effective seal, but it will be fairly snug around your cuff, around your wrist, so the water doesn't move in quite so quick, but it doesn't have an actual seal on the inside. Moving down to the knees. The knees have some reinforcement in there, so this is a pretty common wear and tear area for a wetsuit. So this kind of detailing just gives it that little bit more robustness, so it's less likely to wear in that key area. Down to the ankle cuff, and again the same as the wrist cuff, it's just rolled neoprene stitched in on itself, so you get a nice smooth edge, but no actual kind of seal on that. Turning the suit around, and we have a YKK zipper with a really nice long leash on that, so it's really easy to get in and out of the suit all by yourself. Up around the neck we have Velcro closure, so that just means that you can make this neck seal just as tight as you want or as loose as you like. If you don't like it too tight around your neck, you can loosen it off a bit. Below that, the YKK zipper, you've got this little section of Velcro, and that's just a lock, so that stops it from unzipping during the dive. Undo that, and then you can undo that zip really quick and easy. Because you've got that long leash, you can do it by yourself behind your back. Underneath that zipper, we've got this section of neoprene, which is a flush guard. So this thin section of neoprene just sits behind that zipper and slows the water down so it doesn't go straight through the zip and get straight to your back, slows it down so that your body can warm it up a little bit before it actually gets to you. On the inside of the suit, just a very basic sort of lining on the inside. That's just to protect the neoprene and to help you get in and out of the suit. Getting back in is just as easy. You've got a little tab down at the bottom of the zipper. Grab hold of that with one hand, grab hold of the leash with the other, pull that all the way up, and you're back in the suit. Do up that little section of Velcro underneath that zipper. That stops it from falling down. Velcro at the top, around the neck, and you're good to go. The back of the suit just matches the style of the front in this kind of navy blue color with gray sort of detailings around it. It's a smart little suit. Because it's 3mm, it's not too buoyant neither. You're not going to need too much lead. This is the Cressi Fast 3mm Women's Wetsuit. Thanks for watching. Safe dive.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.